Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's Sunday and it's about an hour away from kickoff for football on Sunday. I had a late night last night. I went to my friend Andy from Jericho's house and the whole family just mingled with them for the entire night. Had dinner, sort of a day off, but not really. Today's video is not going to be about any repairs, because I just wanted to share something with you guys that's been driving me a little crazy. So my Chinese astrological sign is Year of the Monkey. That's the year that I was born, under the Year of the Monkey, right? And inherently, I'm just a curious guy, So for the past couple of months, I've been watching this YouTuber called Andrew Camarata. This guy is unbelievable. I strive and hope to be like him one day, If you guys are familiar with Andrew Camarata, you'll know that this guy is a one-man machine. He makes great videos with drones and super different angles and stuff, and it's just a joy to watch. I have to admit, he's one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm sure some of you guys have seen his stuff, He's the guy that's built a castle in upstate New York with shipping containers and 3/16 inch thick steel plates as his roof. It's just truly unbelievable. The reason why I mentioned my Chinese astrological sign of being Year of the Monkey is that I'm just curious all the time, I just need to know. And so this guy Andrew, right? He's had this girl on his on a few episodes that I've seen, and she's truly amazing too. She's like the female version of Andrew, although not so much. The reason why I'm making this video is because I'm just curious as to whether or not you guys know, and I doubt it, who she is. And the reason by that is, in these past videos, she's seen welding as he does, lifting plates, and doing all kinds of fabrication work as he does. She knows how to do fiberglass and paint and all kinds of really good qualities, you know what I mean? Like, she's a female mechanic, and she's very intriguing. But if you guys know Andrew, he doesn't talk much about the people that are in his videos, such as 2 or 3 guys that help him put the roof up and work on the castle. He doesn't mention who their names are. He has a sister, and there's speculation that it's his sister. But I've watched the video where he has a wedding video with his sister getting married. That's not her. She's got 2 tattoos on her wrists, right? And her sister doesn't, and they don't even look alike. So people speculate it's his sister, but it's not his sister. Again, I'm just super curious as who she is. And when you watch I've seen about 4 or 5 videos where she's in it, right? And in any of the videos where they mention, your girlfriend is a great worker, she's a keeper, you should marry her, and all that stuff. And every time there's a comment about that, right, there's like a huge thread of comments about everybody also wondering, who the hell is this girl? You know what I mean? Andrew's the kind of guy where he doesn't really want to talk about anything other than what he's doing in the video. He doesn't talk about who's in it, why they're in it, who they are to him, and he doesn't mention any names either. When people ask him to explain or ask him who she is, he won't respond. As a matter of fact, he doesn't really respond to his comments at all, to anyone. As a matter of fact, he only really talks about his 2 dogs, Levi and Cody, which we've all gotten to know. I know this seems like a very strange video, but I figured I would enlist the help of all you guys, because certainly you guys watch as many YouTube videos as possibly I do, and this guy's channel is absolutely fantastic. You may think, oh, well, Henry's sort of shouting this guy out. trust me, this dude does not need any shout outs from me, okay? Dude's got like 700,000 subscribers. I'm surprised he doesn't have any more, you know what I mean? Because what he's done to his castle is like all of our dreams come true. Because this castle is built so solid, like a rock, right? That there's absolutely no way any hurricane or any major disaster would ever knock this house down. I mean, short of a major 10.0 earthquake in the state of New York, which is probably never going to happen. But I admire this guy very much because he has like every piece of equipment known to man to help him build whatever he needs to build and fix whatever he needs to fix, you know. I think his family is involved in some kind of construction company, whatever, and that's why they have all the equipment, you know. But the guy does everything himself. Speaking of, you know, a rock, you know, he's built this castle on the side of a mountain, and so there's these huge rocks that look like they could move and fall on his castle, you know. So he spent time building these beams to hold the castle up and hold the rock up so that it won't fall down on his castle. And he's got like concrete slabs everywhere. I mean, the guy's just absolutely amazing. You guys really should check him out. So I did some more research because I just needed to find out who this girl is. Not for any other reason than just knowing and satisfying my curiosity. Now mind you, it's not just me who wants to know. Like I said, whenever she's in a video that he has, the comments on below is everybody wondering who this girl is. And there might be some clues in Instagram. So I went and followed his Instagram. Also, there is absolutely no mention of it. However, it does seem like he does respond to some comments, right? It's just a mystery to me that I just need to know. Maybe you guys can help, but again, I don't think so. Because he seriously does not respond to any questions in regard to that. And it's just a true mystery. I want to know whether or not she's an employee of his company, if it's his cousin, if he's related, if it is his girlfriend. It's just driving me crazy, you know what I'm saying? I did notice that when I did follow his Instagram, right? I noticed that my buddy John Ayal, one of my subscribers, also follows him, and I have seen a thread where he actually responds to John's comments, which is kind of interesting. So anyway, if any of you guys know what I'm talking about and who she is, please share the wealth, because I'm just curious and I need to know. The video is not your regular run-of-the-mill video, but I thought I'd switch things up a little bit. I'm just really curious about it. But anyway, thanks a lot for listening to my rant. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.